The moment your eyes land on the 2026 StowAway 3-speed Tricycle, you know it's something special. A fusion of sleek engineering and rugged adventure, its aerodynamic curves and compact frame make it both stylish and practical. Crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy, this tricycle is built to glide effortlessly through city streets, winding country roads, and secluded nature trails. The matte finish, available in a variety of custom colors, shimmers under the sun, while the integrated LED lighting casts a warm glow as twilight settles in. With its reinforced cargo frame and a precisely balanced three-wheel design, stability and control come naturally, making every ride smooth and enjoyable. Pushing off, you feel the power of the 3-speed internal hub, responding seamlessly to your pedaling. Whether cruising on flat roads or tackling gentle inclines, the drivetrain shifts effortlessly, ensuring a steady, comfortable ride. The front-wheel electric assist quietly hums beneath you, ready to provide that extra boost when needed. Hydraulic disc brakes offer firm stopping power, giving you confidence no matter the terrain. Every movement feels intuitive, as though the tricycle is an extension of you, responding with precision and grace. Then comes the moment you've been waiting for, arriving at your destination and unfolding your home away from home. The compact camper pod, nestled neatly between the sturdy rear wheels, expands effortlessly with a simple pull, revealing an interior designed for comfort and efficiency. Stepping inside, you're immediately enveloped in a cozy yet surprisingly spacious atmosphere. The walls are lined with sustainable bamboo paneling, adding a touch of warmth, while strategically placed LED strip lighting provides an inviting glow. The convertible sleeping area is the heart of the space, transitioning from a plush daybed into a full-sized sleeping arrangement with memory foam cushioning that contours to your body after a long day of riding. Just a reach away, the micro kitchen is a marvel of compact engineering. A retractable induction cooktop slides out smoothly, ready to prepare your next meal, while the built-in sink with a foot pump faucet ensures effortless water access. A mini fridge, powered by the onboard solar panel system, keeps essentials fresh, and cleverly integrated storage compartments hold utensils, cookware, and non-perishable goods. It's a space designed for both convenience and sustainability, proving that even in a compact form, nothing is sacrificed. Across from the kitchen, a fold-out workstation doubles as a dining table, making it easy to enjoy meals or plan the next leg of your journey. Beneath the seating area, hidden compartments store gear and personal items, keeping the space uncluttered and organized. And just when you think it couldn't get any more impressive, a discreet panel slides open to reveal a compact yet fully functional washroom. A cassette toilet and collapsible shower ensure that even the most remote locations won't compromise your comfort. The water filtration system guarantees a fresh supply, drawing from a refillable tank that sits seamlessly beneath the frame. Outside, the StowAway's solar panels soak up the sun, storing energy in a high-efficiency lithium battery pack that powers the interior's lighting, kitchen appliances, and climate control system. Whether it's a warm summer night or a crisp autumn morning, the built-in ventilation and heating unit ensure that the cabin remains a comfortable refuge. USB ports and a fold-out media station allow for connectivity on the go, making it easy to stream music, watch a movie, or stay in touch with loved ones while nestled inside your mobile sanctuary. Safety is woven into every aspect of the design. The reinforced frame provides excellent crash resistance, while smart lock technology keeps the cabin secure when unattended. Reflective detailing enhances visibility at night, and the integrated GPS tracking system ensures peace of mind, whether navigating urban streets or remote landscapes. Customization is where the StowAway truly shines. From color choices to additional storage modules, solar upgrades, and even terrain-specific wheel enhancements, this tricycle adapts to your unique travel style. Whether you're a solo adventurer seeking off-grid escapes or an urban explorer craving weekend getaways, the 2026 StowAway 3-speed tricycle transforms every journey into an experience, blending mobility, comfort, and freedom like never before.